1, 2, then you get there.
We need G in a picture and forget to flower. And that's it. Yeah, inside.
Obi TV ase ahochireti condom double la sokra watamsi ohwe na se obi hu ye mpa da wani bebo no so bi ya ma ne jimpi petere mo na mo bu raps kasa high rob de me bi ni chapter na me bi ya hwana na be rap after nobody and he say car here ta Charlie ye kaze sa akode leak de watwe phone we mia so behwe ene ye Facebook wate sesa wate anya de bia na leak Facebook but ye catch her say ye ka kensaka obi a Ghana ha untimi emo musicians two kura be in a film what you say nti obi a wabɔ ne homoden na ye ka Jay-Z so a Jay-Z de nyina nim say we are singing no ono ena ye supreme onti ase a obetimi no phone no I debate ye nim say Jay-Z ena ye supreme nti Jay-Z the album bi ba watu ni din Ascension na yese omo no mpese omo kire say omo de enkoden eje higher position mpese omo kire say yeah we blacks no we are getting there, we are taking the world, we are being supreme, we are being the highest nti ka highest so a untimi nyisa akode film the highest himself Ken Sack or album no so ye be din komo me din ene Armstrong Polino Ade. Okay, why of good boy e wo menchen a ye betwetwe enkomo. Boys no ya yen hye.
Ya nom hwe.
Ya moro
so.
Ye de no ye de.
Eno de emfanto an.
Sa.
E shada kem.
Enye o ma ekos.
Enye o ma ekos, enye o ma bank.
Ghana fo be hu de o. We are seeing na.
Watch out.
Me come chiro. Me wa of good boy e wo ha ye be di nkomo what you say. Enkomo no de enkofo bebre mi nim se mo be ye me pa nde na me gitum. Me deserve it. Munyame why because na first April there I mean yenyum setete there wo ho ani atewa hweso me mo ka say before am be video we matingo for 2 ahweso 500 and then me am boss the Lord the Father
and kamekra me so me ka ho
ka also ka ho 3
smart
wadwumu doy then me sreye e fa wo but as me sreye na ma wo chim
anya osire na osire ma adwunu mu do
wadwumu ne do
say baby anka wo bo formation afa me hu say
bibi o
this time the nipa we dey then what dey be na
dey na kweshia
to me bomb fi say then na me nkwaje na wo say na hu ade.
All right, into the first point, mo find share with our caption and our thumbnail. What I say, but Saturday will be our born home dinty. We thought of say and AFS pony the best celebrity Saturday or Polino multimedia. But enya no nko asa na meka say Jay-Z our world hip hop icon no. Or the album bi ba I mean album no ye hwe Beyonce ono chochom Beyonce e wo so Rick Ross e wo so na Saturday eso wo so a Saturday on Saturday nyum no nim de e chime no title no Black Chronic oh and I heard album no so title na Ascension na so mo pese mo push the Africa agenda no say yes ye dimu
dimu na ye wo tumi so
basa wona de bia so ka say bibini bia anya ni papa
na bibini de o de enfa no nto an me de bibini bia anya ni papa
sa nti ahwefo mo hwe ebeti ase sa
bibini omo kra omo gitum se bibini anya ni papa
adentia adentia
omo gitum se bibini anya ni papa.
All right then na obetimi aka fasa akode ho from time on started to now.
No, sa akode de o ka se o ka bibisa de bia de o be kan se sa akode is an inspiration. What you say? So we be bia we free any story a ono no ka se no nam from baby to baby and say na otumi anya recording studio.
I think say na so we hear na artist bi na ma yedin come artist ni ka se o kai se way back ohun na na tema moto we no. Ah so tema moto we
otumi so 190
na de ba.
Masa nti enough from what you say because na sin akra say obehu a picture bi ba bontia
oni edem
caption yeah what you say caption no
edem and co you find the imbu nka
na eno na che say there is time for everything bibia what you say nti so we be bia sa akode free this speed or be change the rap face of Ghana that time so unim that time kwa dem time obra from time how one no ye rap no so maba mid line no yeah sa ko de be change face no cra de be new
e be rare I think say so you hear boys no omo bomb ho modern there but style no omo de beba no you something different from the sa ko de aba no
oh e mean so bomb modern
all right
e mean so ye bibi foforo cra
all right
what you say sa ko de e de bibi aba more na e follow we say no what you say but e mean so e de no ma fra
okay
emma what you say e say sa ko de obeka so ye more of hip hop digidini be but you won't confuse so more hip hop no but ada more what you say more combine
because you hear ayi kra ekwotina UTV no you can say the only ye enyume Sharifa eka say sako de artist a obetimi awin Grammy amagana and then nkofo be raised to say they know okay but you hear the so to be honest with you no sako de na the tree rap ekwaji beat nti so o kase sako de betimi agi Grammy I don't think say something like that and say Jay-Z Jigga and then atono nyom so and then I hope say sanyom no den a o de on pom market asem we wo Pauline Motimida say enyom no ye be nominate o Grammy sanyom no black chronic no ye be nominate sanyom no o Grammy ye wi a sabe video we ye den commercial ye nominate wi a de nyame be say bia ni e be hu no ye be ka cho Pauline Motimida what you say enti o hwe a o de ye hwe tamasa akode e ba na I think that time me wo secondary school level Form 1, Form 2 baby. Na sa akode de I'm so hood. Twisting rap no. Obetimi aye. Ache. Ba me de metimi aye. Ba iso otua. Me nye rap free.
We dey try me search ba ko na.
Me try search ba ko. Yeah. Okay, I have me try search ba ko but enyum na nkasa no refi starting because me kai starting na e na nka metimi a.
Me twa otu.
O say
mami twa otu
o de mami mbonyum na me rapping fam
o bonyum na rap ya fam mami
there say me refi kakra on ti at least start here na me hu say okay say no starting what you say okay I have for yanko obi de my bread my okay obitimi kasahari ni chiro no said ye wabodam bi kronfo bi akobokro no no bibu no mare akofa aden nanti obiti wi ase ahochireti condom edabo la sokra watamsi ohwe na se obi hu ye wimpa da wani bebo no so bi ya ma ne jimpi petere mo na mo bu raps kasahari ro be de bi ni chapter na me bi ya hwana na be rap after nobody and say ka hiata Charlie Sako de obi a ya follow that chair into and then no we thought say Pauline Motimida yen celebrate Sako de but April Fool nti na say ye this caption no e ma wo be because say wo so no adwem bone ni adwem fi wo trim ti hu say Sako de leak abana wo be click abehwe oh tambia na try say be push nipa than say ye be say ye be de e be to no so Kensak after say on Calligraph Jones me boa uti enyum no then about him and also read for comment no because I could trend o Kenya number 1 ever trend o Ghana so number 1 abra nipa na enyum ne dia no on trend there
so pepe and natural the power sa akode ekura what you say cause o hwenyum na enyum no enya na enyum
okay
na ye omo record enyum no be 2 years ago what you say but minimum the content na akwane mpese obe releasing
okay
until say akode enko for no bo akwane pressure e wo trader
onye so say time na so say so release
okay but time no releasing so e boy mu minu nyina because na man for kradwen say akode waye mere say no ntumi rap say first ni biem ni ade but we hear the kind of speed as akode the fast anyum na Charlie anosh what you say ubehu ade na ye kan no say akode no ye mu bi de say akode no onye ni pasa o what you say me oh say me
because me o interview bi now say akode ehia o na so officer wa na so officer wa onyum so a obeda form ama
enya form da ka ekwan be 2 weeks ekwan ho
say ni senti
na na me sure say ye mu bi ni say akode what you say ene nipa we so ye nipa we ni ni What I say? Na some den dey na bigi nso se obedan ono de so obeda gatem. Nti what I say? Wonya sa akode future keke. Obeda kwan ho 2 weeks.
All right.
Nti
sa akode obi a obon homodin. Every young artist bia ehwehwe say oni no ebeye enyum. And then the na ye nyina ye hoping say sa akode e bedru international na say world no be hu yi. And then this Jay-Z enyum no ebema wiase hu say yeah sa akode is the ish. Because ni nyum yo ka say Ghana ha ne enso so but ko America and can line I say Jay-Z ne Kendrick Money but yen value ne sa ba metena say because Sako there aside say oye rapper na onim rapper oye guy
oye G
yeah OAG Kensago AG nti o deserve bibia but aha Apple no more team there say na your first time I subscribe to the channel na click the bell notifications and be anytime I drop any video be and get it straight but and then your first Apple into the video where everyone subscribe and hear more interviews exclusive interviews and your controversial one and adia obetimi asua bibi wom educative interviews as well na hear interesting videos be I be post wa ha say no why
chama
yeah call or final words to Ghana for any we are seeing
baby asa akode ekeka ko no omma nyina yemfa akoma pa enta na chi
okay support
baby akoye say sack nation for no kwa na
e push
agenda na ade but
all right it's about time we all have to support and when you am buy Ghana
SM for sack nation for beam for what you say samini mo obian support na yemfa akoma krom push sa akode na cause baby a okon senior Bena boy koba ya ye big income man e bedroom ye bi no sa pepepe
enyam rebi mi dem me say next year sa akode ye be nominate
bompaye ti wo fia no abompaye
all right Kensak Polynomal team there gidi say video we e den ya obehwe and de be kan say nyame enkoso na achede na ode adomo no enye no moho say na be abekoso I inspired youth no what you say video we hana ye de besi view no ye betika no ha sisi ya
na den o se pe you go Kumerica na
Kumerica dey say me time be am go
so me time next time me go no me se pe me tege am Lagos be samye
o se pe o tege ade mafo samye oh America ku
wasi atie
den ti na se pe o tege ade mafo
me moka motown here no me se pe me go Kiba cause me go am to get ademafo
until before you go Kiba na so what get
ademafo we say me get ademafo
na the ademafo na be ma hot America
akofo no nyem wanti ana omo se emma ne broni omo mark e be den on say sanyum
but I say we dey me ho afrim minimum ho he
na say on so kill me no one you do
ono me you do there me feel wa heart to saka ademafo say me no dey
do feel so on say atie saka ono we asantini ne ntafo
bye bye.
Okay. Royalty, are you okay? Are you good? Royalty, I want to perform for you. I should perform one song for you. For you and TT. Okay. I'm in the woman. What else? She never tell it us. Okay. Hey, it's a beautiful brand new day. I said I come for what's up, you're very bright Tuesday. But that's a team come out, me we get up in the test of grace. I see the soul alone, I'm in the one that in the ace of space. She got a grace on face, cause it gets so quick. Talk about what it is.